Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with PayPal, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest with PayPal, start by ensuring you have a verified PayPal account. If you don't have one, visit the PayPal website to create and verify your account. Once your account is ready, log into your PayPal account. Navigate to the investing section, which may be available directly on the homepage or in the menu. Explore the investment options available through PayPal. PayPal partners with various investment platforms that allow you to buy stocks, cryptocurrencies, or ETFs. Select the type of investment you're interested in. If you choose to invest in stocks, research the companies you're considering. For cryptocurrencies, review the current market trends and choose your digital currency wisely. Once you've made your decision, click on the investment option. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to invest. Make sure to review the transaction details before confirming your investment. If everything looks good, complete the transaction by clicking on the Confirm button. After your investment is confirmed, you should receive a notification regarding your purchase. Take note of your investment's performance, as markets can fluctuate regularly. If you decide to sell your investment later, return to the investing section in your PayPal account. Follow the prompts to complete the selling process. Always keep learning about investment strategies to make informed decisions. With patience and knowledge, you can grow your investments over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.